Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here today. Today we're going to make this cuff. I don't really have a name for it, but just something fun that I came up with and thought you guys might enjoy. Okay guys, you're going to need pony beads, a long piece of string, a needle, some scissors, and a lighter if you're using this elastic string that frays. You're going to start off with putting 32 clear beads on, and we're going to tie this to make a bracelet. Okay, now that we have that tied, on the long piece of string, you're gonna want to put your needle on. I got all tangled up. Okay, so we're gonna go through one of these clear beads and we're gonna pull the string through. We're gonna put on a clear and we're gonna go through every other bead. Okay, so it should look like this. I'm going to continue that until I get to the end, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I finished my first row. I have my last bead on, and I wanted to show you how we start the next row. So I'm going to go through two of these beads to go up to the next row instead of just one. Okay, this is what it looks like. And we're ready to start our next row, which is going to be clear. So I'm adding one clear bead, and then I'm going to go through this bead here. I added a clear. I'm going to go through this bead. And remember to pull your string tight. All right, I'm adding another clear, and I'm going to go through this bead. All right, I'm going to keep doing that until I get to the end here. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I have my last bead to put on, and we're going to have to go through these two beads to make the next row. That's what it should look like. All right, we're ready to start our next row. And this one's going to be all clear too. And you're going to go through every other bead just like the previous rows. Okay, I'm going to finish this row and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, I finished that last row. Now it's time to add some color. So the first color is going to be pink. I'm going to add one pink and then go through this clear bead here. And then I'm going to add another pink. And then we're going to add two clear. We're going to add 2 orange. We're going to add 2 clear. We're going to add 2 yellow. Two clear. Two green. Two clear. And we're going to go through the clear and this pink here to get to the next row. Alright, that's what it should look like. We're going to add a pink bead. Oops. One. Now we're going to add 5 pink. And we're going to go through this bead. And we're going to go up these 2 clear. We're going to add 5 orange. We're going to go through this orange bead. We're going to add 1 orange. We're going to add 5 orange. And then we're going to go through these 2 clear beads. We're going to add 5 yellow. Go through this yellow bead. We're going to add 1 yellow. We're adding 5 yellow. We'll go through these 2 clear beads. We're going to add 5 green. I'm going to add 1 green. And 5 green. Oh, we're going to go through these 2 clear beads. And we're going to add 5 pink. Okay, so we have one side done. Now we need to get to the other side and do the same thing. So we're going to take our needle and string all the way across all these beads to get to the other side. And something I do that's helpful so I can work on the same side is I'll flip the cuff inside out. So I'm working on the same side. Okay, so we need to add one clear and an orange. I'm going to add another orange bead. So we're doing the same exact thing that we did on this side. So we're going to add two clear, two yellow, two clear, two green. Sorry if it's loud. I live near a train and the AC's going at the same time. Alright, we're going to add two clear, two pink, and this is the last bead, so one I'm sorry, one clear. So we're going to go through these two clear beads and now we're on our next row, so we're going to put 5 orange on, I'm going to put 1 orange on, and 5, now we have to go through these two clear beads. So I just came up with this yesterday. To me it kind of resembles a butterfly, but I don't have a name for it. If you guys come up with something, let me know. Putting on 5 yellow, put on 1 yellow, 5 yellow, oops, go through this clear, and then we're going to go through these two clear, and I'm going to go ahead and finish this and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, I finished both sides. This is what it should look like. Now it's time to do the middle. So I came out of this clear bead. I need to, well, let me turn this around. I need to go up these two clear beads to get to the middle. You know what? I should have cut this off from the beginning. I thought maybe we could tie the ends together, but it's just not gonna meet up. All right, so we're here in the middle. We're gonna add 5 pink, And we're gonna go through this clear bead right here. So how many is that? 1, 2, 3. The fourth bead, or the fourth row from where we started. And then we are going to go through these 2 beads and these 2 beads to get to the middle. Pull that tight. All right, we're going to put 5 green on. We're going to go through this bead. We're going to go through these 2 and these 2. We're going to add 5 yellow. We're going to go through the middle. We're going to go up these 2 clear beads. And these 2 clear beads. I'm going to add 5 orange. We're going to go through this bead. And we are finished. So we need to take our string to the side, because it'll be easier to tie off. Alright guys, that's it. I mean, you can leave it like this, or you could add to it. Like, I just thought this was a fun design, and I wanted to share it with you guys. You guys have a good day. See you next time.